The KLA Academy was established in 2020 with the key purpose of introducing and educating Korean law abroad. The KLA Academy is an initiative under the International Legal Collaboration Project in Korea Legislation Research Institute. The KLA Academy provides educational programs on Korean law for overseas participants. Previously, Korean law classes were organized and provided upon requests made by foreign government officials, experts, and students when they visited Korea. Until the KLA Academy was established in 2020, special on-site lectures, invited training at home, and online talks for various foreign government agencies and universities, including Nagoya University in Japan, National University of Mongolia, Office of the Council of State of Thailand, and the Institute of Legislation of the Republic of Kazakhstan, just to name a few, were provided by Korea Legislation Research Institute. Educational programs have been carried out across some 50 subjects, targeting many countries, including Japan, China, Mongolia, Nepal, Bhutan, Vietnam, Thailand, the Philippines, Indonesia, and Kazakhstan. And those programs were greatly praised by numerous officials from government agencies overseas. Such one-off classes often lack continuity, and supports for research and study on Korean law overseas through those sporadic classes were not easy. To build a foundation for the education of Korean law that will serve as a research hub, Korea Legislation Research Institute launched the KLA Academy initiative. It began to systematically organize educational programs on Korean law for foreigners. Each year, those in charge of the International Legal Collaboration Project in Korea Legislation Research Institute establish plans for a series of lectures abroad and seminars in Korea. For this educational program, working groups comprised of legal scholars who can deliver lectures on Korean law in English are formed, and reading materials are published. Educational programs on Korean law for overseas participants include on-site lectures and online classes. On-site lectures, as regular courses provided by schools abroad, are conducted over the summer or during the school year. Talks on specific topic in Korean law by guest speakers are available in those schools or institutions as well. Training courses in Korea are designed as a short-term programs for government officials, legal scholars, practitioners, and law students from overseas who are eager to learn Korean law during their stay in Korea. Government officials from Korea Legislation Research Institute, Korean Ministry of Government Legislation, and National Assembly Research Services of Korea, and over 60 professors from domestic and foreign colleges and law schools have actively involved in the project. Participation of so many experts in Korea helped the KLA Academy develop into the most effective platform introducing and educating Korean law to the world. With the publication, lectures, and talks, the KLA Academy in Korea Legislation Research Institute will become the leading educational program in Korean law overseas. And it will also serve as the international hub for researching and studying Korean law. KLA Academy.